Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing you 3 holiday decor projects that I DIY'd. All these projects are really easy to do, so let's get started. For the first DIY, you need a frame or a cotton canvas for drawing. I'm using that one on which I already have a picture, so I'll have some illustrations on both sides. And you need a poster. Choose any you want on Pinterest or in Google. I'll link this one down below in the description box. Needs to measure the size of the frame and crop the poster, leaving on each side as much as the thickness of your frame. You can leave more and then just crop the excess.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
In order to glue them, I use double-sided tape. You can use a hot glue gun, but for this way the poster should be denser so as not to damage it.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney?
When you glue the opposite sides, create a tension.
As soon as you remove that snow, oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that
I fold the corners and hide under the main layer as when wrapping a gift.
Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
And we are done.
I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere. Just
For the second DIY, you need red and white paper, 2 beads. I'm gonna make 2 ornaments, thread and needle, and scissors. Draw a markup on the sheets like this and cut along the lines.
Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
For one ornament, you need 9 red and 9 white strips. Then you need 2 circles with the diameter about 1.5 centimeters or 6/10 inches. For this I use a cap of straw spray.
This moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right.
And it's done.
We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna.
For the third DIY, you need a few rolls from toilet paper, a wrapping paper in which you're gonna wrap your candies, thin ribbon matching the color, double-sided tape, and scissors.
Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Regarding the paper, I was looking in red and white strips, then the roll could be wrapped at an angle and it looked like a candy cane, but I did not find. But this one is also matching with style.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
The inner sheet of paper is needed not to see the back side of the wrapping paper.
We'll fill with love and joy. so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoy it. Have a good day. Bye.
Beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.